When I buy donut from the man, make them one if it's fresh, make sure you should sugar them. I buy this from yesterday. Once you see sugar pan it, the sugar gonna melt, you know it's fresh. And if you can go out early for grab it, it's better. If you know where the factory there, that works as well. Keep in mind to do it, they're Jamaican farm. Oh well, this is different. And what I like with them they make them sweet like them used to make them. I know we can't really recall if them it's sweet, but they're never sweet. Just nice. The amount of weight to put on, guys. Ridiculous. Holy weight. I don't know how I'm going to remove this Thanksgiving and its way, Christmas pan its way. Oh.